Every journey begins in silence, like a plane rolling through the forest. Slow, steady, unnoticed. But everything starts here.
Then come the mountains, tall, cold, demanding. The climb shakes you, but that's how you lift off. You'll fly through deserts, hot, endless, lonely skies. But fuel isn't just in the tank, it's in your will to keep going. The ocean stretches wide beneath you. No landmarks, no shortcuts. And then, through the clouds, the city lights, the dream. You didn't fly just to escape. You flew to arrive.